Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today it's not about teaching any topic from pharmaceutical analysis, but the video I have prepared especially for my fellow colleagues, to be very specific, pharmacy teaching fraternity, who are missing their blackboards. Definitely this lockdown has taught us many things. Being in teaching profession, it's the high time that though we are not that techno savvy, we have to adapt to the changes. So this Wacom pen tablet has found to be a magic box for me. Inside the box there is a pen tablet, a pressure sensitive and battery free pen, a data cable to connect it to your laptop, a nib changer and 3 extra nibs along with the user manual. So that's fantastic. So once you open this primary packing, you will find this dotted area on the pen tablet. You can write within this dotted area only. So whatever you write outside the dotted area, that will not be captured on your screen. So here you can see how thin it is, and there is only one point of connection between the laptop and the pen tablet. So using this data cable, we will connect this pen tablet to the laptop, and these are the dimensions. There are 2 dimensions available. I have chosen the smaller one. See, now I have connected the pen tablet to the laptop. As soon as I connect, this light appears. So we may not be able to use it directly. Before we start using, we have to install the drivers. So in Google, you just have to search Wacom drivers and click on this option. Add the product name, the model number you have to add, and whatever instructions are appearing, follow those instructions. It will ask you to restart the PC, ask you to allow to restart the PC, and this will happen. This may happen repeatedly, and for several times it may restart. So once it is restarted, you will find this Wacom tablet properties. So once your system is updated, you have to reattach or reconnect the pen tablet to your laptop, and it will ask you to now install the drivers. So whatever instructions and the terms and conditions are appearing, read it carefully and accept it. After clicking on accept, it will take few minutes. Now under Wacom tablet properties, you will find this window where you will see the pen. You can customize the right click, left click, how you want to use the tablet, everything you can customize. Now you can start directly writing on the Microsoft Word document. See here how I have tried. So whatever you write in this particular window, that can be directly converted into the typed form. So this is one of the options present in Microsoft Word as well as in PowerPoint. This particular option is present. You can make use of the this window where you can write the equations, and whatever you write, those alphabets will be available in the typed form. So you will have the typed equations very easily. Along with that, you can directly write your explanation on the Word document page. So it is not in the typed format, it is your writing appearing on the Microsoft Word page. So similarly, you can write either on Word page or on PowerPoint page, and your explanation can be easily conveyed to your students. Here you can see how easily I could write on the PowerPoint slide during presentation mode. Drawing structures on screen has become so much easy because of this pen tablet, and you can see that this writing can be retained on the screen, so you can just save that particular presentation for the reference. Another experience with Microsoft Whiteboard, I can say this is the colorful experience, as there are number of different color pens available, other tools like ruler and many other tools available for best online teaching. You can very easily clear the canvas. Here, if you observe that my handwriting has improved a bit as compared to the earlier slides, because it requires little practice when you write on the pen tablet. So your original handwriting can appear on screen of students, and that will develop more connection between you and your students. Here I have used one of the tools from Microsoft PowerPoint, which is called as Record Presentation. So just before my lecture, I drew all these things and it was simultaneously recorded, and this recording was then played during the online session. So I found this pen tablet very convenient and comfortable for on-screen writing, especially for those subjects where we have to draw structures, equations. So 5 out of 5 stars from my side. Thank you for watching. Those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the below red button. I really thank you all those friends who asked me to make this video. Thanks a lot. Please comment in chat box and let me know if you have liked the video.